Hi, Assalamualaikum to Media Azila. My name is FATIN NURDIYANA binti AHMAD EMRAN. My metric number is 2019-342-067. Today I would like to show how to key in the data and how to find the normality and then how to conduct the independent test in comparing sport management and sport science in sleeping quality. Before I run the data to SPSS, I already spread the question A, which is Pittsburgh Sleeping Quality Index. There is 7 components in the question A that I need to calculate and find the final score. So as we can see here, I have the scoring sheet, how to calculate the question A, and then I have the data that respondent already answers. So this is 50 respondent, which is 25 from sport management and 25 from sport science. So before getting to the SPSS, in the Excel, I already rearranged the data. 1 until 25 is sport management and 26 until 50 is sport science. So it's easier for me to key in and transfer the data in the SPSS because of there's so much number and it make me headache. So when I rearrange the data, it's easier for me to read, okay, and understand the data. So let's proceed to key in the data. So first we have group. So put here group, and then next is sleeping quality score. So decimal is 0. Okay, score so non-decimal, and then measure nominal because there is 2 group, and then this is scale. Okay, value I would like to put 1 as sport management as underscore man, and then we 8. So easy for me. Sport underscore science, and then 8. Okay. So everything is here already clear. And then we go to the data view. So put, as I already said just now, 1 until 25 is sport management. So until 10 here, I will show until 10 only. So until 10 is sport management. So this is the data I would like to key in, which is 1 is 9, 11, 14, 8, 10. And then number 6 is, this is respondent, and then the 7 respondent is 9, 5, 10. 9 is 7, and then 13. So this is the data I have in the SPSS, the group, and the scoring for sleeping quality. So thank you. After I already key in all the data until 50 respondent, so I will like to run the normality. How to run the normality is, firstly we need to know in the independent test, we need to have the independent, which is the group. We need 2 group for independent. So make sure here I have 2 group, which is sport management and sport science. So the dependent is scoring for sleeping quality. And then the observation that I have here is all the data here is independent, which means it's not related to each other. So next is the normality. And manually, according to the CLT, it's already normal because the sample is more than 30. But in the SPSS, we need to run to see the data is normal or not. So how to run the normality, we click the analyze and then click the statistic and then go to explore. And then your before this, it like this. Allah, like this. So here we put the dependent here, and then group put at the bottom this, and then plot. Don't forget to tick the normality plots, and then this is up to us to tick stem and leaf or histogram, but we don't want the complicated view, so I tick only for the histogram, and then we continue and click OK, and then we wait for the data to come out. So here is the test of normality. As we can see here, this is sport management and sport science. So we see here for the Shapiro work. And then the data is 0.5 and 0.2. If the p-value is more than 0.05, which is not significant, which means the data is normal. So my data is normal for both sport science and sport management. After we already run the normality, we will conduct the independent test. So how to run the independent test? Which go to complements and the independent sample test. And then here we put the test variable, and then group, we put the group variable, and then don't forget to define groups. It's one, and then group two is two. And then okay. So this is the independent result. So we see here the equal variance assume. So if we know the data is equal variance, which is there's no big difference between the respondents, so it's equal. So we read the data up here. So the data is 0.2, which is after we see the p-value is more than 0.05, we know that the result is not significant. So we can conclude that there is no significant difference between sport management and sport science student in sleeping quality score. We already key in the data, we already run the normality, and then we already conduct the independent test. So that is all that I want to show in the SPSS. Thank you and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye-bye.